Connect the SIP telephone with PoE switch. Connect the IP audio bridge to the PoE switch. Use the RCA cable to connect the IP audio bridge with analog amplifier. Connect the line output of IP audio bridge to line input of the amplifier. The 100 voltage analog speaker connect the amplifier. Here we use the mini SIP server to make the demo. Check the IP address of the SIP server. The SIP phone has been registered to the SIP server. Assign a SIP account and password to the IP audio bridge. The default registration password of the IP audio bridge is 1234. Log in the web page of IP audio bridge by 192.168.1.101. The username and password are both admin. Modify the IP address of IP audio bridge to the same network segment as the server. Modify the SIP account and server IP. Reboot the device to make the configuration take effect. After a short while, the device will automatically register. Dial the SIP account on the SIP phone to make real-time notification.
Hello? This is Spawn Communication. Welcome to Spawn.